Setting goals is important to help you achieve what you want in life. But not all goals work well. To make your goals effective, use the SMART method. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 1. Be specific. Your goal should be clear and detailed. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to walk 30 minutes every day. Being specific helps you understand exactly what you need to do. Step 2. Make it measurable. You need a way to track your progress. Ask yourself, how will I know when I have reached my goal? For example, if your goal is to save money, decide how much money you want to save. This way, you can see your progress and stay motivated. Step 3. Set achievable goals. Your goal should be possible to reach. Don't make it too easy, but don't make it impossible either. If you are new to exercise, don't plan to run a marathon in 1 month. Start with a small goal that you can build on. Step 4. Make it relevant. Your goal should matter to you. It should fit with your life and what you want to achieve. If your goal does not relate to your values or your long-term plans, you might lose interest and give up. Step 5. Give it a time limit. Every goal needs a deadline. Without a time frame, it's easy to keep putting off your goal. Decide when you want to finish your goal. For example, I will lose 5 pounds in 2 months. How to stick to your SMART goals. Setting a goal is only the first step. To reach it, you must stick to your plan. Write your goals down. When you write your goals, you remind yourself what you want and keep yourself accountable. Break your goal into smaller steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Divide your goal into small tasks and focus on one step at a time. Track your progress regularly. Check how you are doing every week or every month. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Stay flexible. Sometimes things don't go as planned. If needed, adjust your goal or change your timeline, but don't give up. Find support. Tell a friend or family member about your goal. They can encourage you and help you stay on track. Using the SMART method makes your goals clear and achievable. Remember, success comes with consistent effort. Set your SMART goals today and start working toward a better you.